Integrated farming system is a combination of many systems. It attempts to increase farmers' income using natural resources on sustainability basis, which can be obtained by integrating crop husbandry with allied enterprises. Types of allied enterprises are dairy farming, sheep and goat farming, poultry farming, duck farming, turkey rearing, rabbit farming, beekeeping, pigeon rearing, aquaculture, sericulture, mushroom cultivation. There is one of the best milkers among indigenous cattle. The animals are of red color. Many animals have white spots. Variants with different shades of red are also available. The animals have typically dome-shaped forehead and long ears. Pure Gir cow milk has calcium, phosphorus, rich fats, potassium which helps to maintain blood pressure. It also contains a conjugated linoleic acid, is an important acid that lowering the bad cholesterol, thus it improves overall heart health. Urine of a pregnant cow is considered special. It is claimed to contain special hormones and minerals. According to Ayurveda, Gomutra, cow urine, can cure leprosy, fever, peptic ulcer, liver ailments, kidney disorders, asthma, certain allergies, skin problems like psoriasis, anemia, and even cancer.
ಯಾತ ಯಾಕೆ ಕರ್ದೆ
ಗೋಮೂತ್ರಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಶ್ರೀಗಂಧ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಸಂಯುಕ್ತ ಇದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆ ಐತಿ ಅವು ಏಟಾಟ
ಮುರಿ
ಇದು ಮೂರು ಹಚ್ಚಕ ನಾಲ್ಕು ಇದ್ರಾಗ ಒಂದು ಐತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಈಗ ಇದ್ರಾಗ ನಾಲ್ಕದ
ಅದು ನಾಯಿ ನೋಡಿ
Allahabad Safeda is the most famous and demanded variety of all the available guava varieties. It is used for both table and processing purposes. The tree for this variety grows tall and has an upright growing tendency. Also, this variety tree bears a lot of fruits in its long shoots covered in dense foliage. The crown of the tree is expansive and compact, mostly dome-shaped. Allahabad Safeda variety fruit is round in shape and is not very large. The skin of the fruit is very mild and the flesh is white with not many seeds inside it. The smoothness of the skin and less seed offers top-notch quality. Health benefits of guava fruit and leaves. Some evidence suggests that guava can improve blood sugar control. Guavas may help boost heart health in a number of ways. Many scientists believe that the high levels of antioxidants and vitamins in guava leaves may help protect your heart from damage by free radicals. The higher levels of potassium and soluble fiber in guavas are also thought to contribute to improved heart health. Many women experience painful symptoms of menstruation, such as stomach cramps. However, there is some evidence that guava leaf extract may reduce the pain intensity of menstrual cramps. Additionally, Guava leaf extract may benefit digestive health. Studies suggest that it may reduce the intensity and duration of diarrhea. Several studies have also shown that guava leaf extract is antimicrobial. This means that it can neutralize harmful microbes in your gut that can cause diarrhea. Guava leaf extract has been shown to have an anti-cancer effect. Test tube and animal studies show that guava extract can prevent and even stop the growth of cancer cells. This is likely due to the high levels of powerful antioxidants that prevent free radicals from damaging cells, one of the main causes of cancer. Low levels of vitamin C are linked to an increased risk of infections and illness. Guavas are a fantastic way to get this nutrient, as they are one of the richest food sources of vitamin C. In fact, one guava provides about double the reference daily intake (RDI) for vitamin C. This is almost twice the amount you would get from eating an orange. The wide range of vitamins and antioxidants packed into a guava may work wonders for your skin. Its antioxidants may protect your skin from damage, which can slow down its aging process, helping prevent wrinkles.
ತಡಿಯಪ್ಪ ತಡಿ.
ಬೈತಾ ನೋಡಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಅತ್ತಿ
ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನಿನ್ನ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಪೂಜೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಹೊತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಪಾಕೇಜ್ ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ